This is Consonant Blend, SPL, and it has 3 consonants in it. Each consonant says its own sound. So let's practice those sounds. Tap and say the sound for S. S. Again. S. One more time. S. Now I'll tap and say the sound for P. P. Again. P. One more time. P. And we'll tap and say the sound for L. L. Again. L. One more time. L. Good. Now let's tap and stretch them together. Ready? Spl. Do it again. Spl. Okay, now let's see if we can make a word. Ready? Let's try to make a word. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Split. Tap and stretch it again. Split. Say it fast like a word. Split. Say it fast. Split. Yes, split, like you're splitting something in half. Let's try another one. Let's tap and stretch. Splat. Tap and stretch. Splat. Say it fast like a word. Splat. Say it fast. Splat. Yeah, when your ice cream hit the ground, it went splat. Good job making some words with our consonant blend, SPL.